This listing on Zillow looks like a good deal, but let's find out if it can actually cash flow. I ran the analysis for this property using a free software called rentalpeak.com, and here you can see the key metrics we have for year one. So you can see all the money we need to get into this property, our projected monthly cash flow, and all the other stats you need to know before buying your first rental property. Right below our key metrics, we have our cash flow table. So this will give you a look into how we're calculating this cash flow monthly rate, and then you can see it annualized as well. You can see where all the money is flowing out of this deal through debt service payments, operating expenses, and vacancies. If you go over to the right here, we have our total ROI tab. So if you saw this number up here, you can see how this number is calculated, and we take into account cash flow, appreciation, debt paydown, and tax savings to get this total ROI number. You can see how this number would be calculated for each year, again, up to year 30 of owning this property. If you move over from our analysis tab to our market data and comps tab, you'll start to see a lot of data that will help you decide what fair market rent would be for this home that you want to buy. You can see an estimated rent range right here off the bat, and then you can also see comparable rental properties. So the top 5 closest properties in relation to the subject property here on a map, and they're listed also here on the table. You can see what they were listed for rent, when they were last seen on the market and likely rented, and stats about the property like the beds, bath square footage, and year built. So this gives you real data and helps you make normally a hard decision a lot easier by helping you find out what fair market rent would be with real market data. If you want to run the numbers like this on a property that you're interested in buying, you can go over to rentalpeak.com today, and we have a free tier here where you can sign up and try our site out.